Dear Crush, I know you might have expected this letter, but I'm pretty sure you aren't expecting what's in it. I've been attracted to guys before, but none is like you. I don't know if you do it on purpose, but it's just so easy to like it. I say like because even I am not sure if it's love, lust, or just infatuation, but this I am sure of. You not only give me butterflies all the zoo, but the whole jungle itself. I'm exaggerating, man. Okay, let me make you understand. The way my heart quickly changes pace at the thought of you, it's crazy. Never mind your presence because my heart just stops. Well, how am I still alive when my heart stops? Well, that's the crazy part because it starts spitting as soon as the thought of not being with you comes to mind. It's crazy, right? I know, dear crush. I don't want to sound cunning, but you are the reason why I smile sometimes. The reason why I think of cuddling on a cold day. I imagine myself in those arms of yours, feeling safe, secure, protected, and loved. I want to be the only girl you call my baby. Territorial much. Really, I don't like sharing. I want to be the only girl you look at and go, damn. That's a precious jewel. I don't want to lose her. The only girl who comes first in your mind at all times, well, that's after your mom and sisters, of course. Dear crush. I sometimes imagine myself pregnant with your child and wonder, will they have your dark pinkish lips, your eyes, your smile, your chubbiness, so even better, your charm. Okay, I'm starting to sound like a psycho now, but one has to plan ahead. But the future is now. Dear Cash, I know you don't know my name, but I know yours. Your surname even. I sometimes match it with mine, and trust me, you love the sound of it. Dear Cash, I hope someday you look at me the way I look at you. I hope someday you'll feel for me what I feel for you. I hope someday you know my name and how well it rhymes with yours. I'm not asking for much, am I? Dear crush.